lineup for Rolling Loud Miami 2019 has been released, and it's absolutely fire. Okay, this is probably, actually by far, the biggest hip-hop music festival in the world, and it's going to be in the Hard Rock Stadium, Miami Gardens, Florida, and the lineup is literally absolutely stacked, right? Like, it's incredible. So, Friday, you've got Migos headlining with Cardi B, Ray Shremmerd, Rick Ross. Well, Ray Shremmerd's going to be, a tricky one based on the whole Slim Jimmy and Sway Lee issue. I don't know if that's going to be resolved by then. Maybe it is resolved already. I'm not sure. But Rick Ross, YG, Juice WRLD, Lil Yachty, Trippie Redd, Rich the Kid. Saturday, you got Travis Scott headlining. Then you got Lil Wayne, 21 Savage, Kodak Black, Young Thug, Lil Baby, Gunna, Sheck West, Soulja Boy. Sunday, you got Kid Cudi headlining with Lil Uzi Vert, Lil Pump, Playboy Cardi, Gucci Mane, Tyga, Kevin Gates, Lil Skies. Man, it's absolutely stacked, man. Yeah, Rolling Loud Miami 2019 is going to be absolutely lit. Tickets will be going on sale on February 1st at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. I can probably put the link down below. I'll put the link down below for you guys to give you guys a good where to buy the tickets from. Again, man, yeah, it's absolutely stacked. And it's crazy because the headliners are huge, but then you look at the people who are not the headliners, and they're still huge, right? Like Cardi B, Ray Shremmerd, Gucci Mane, Young Thug, Lil Pump, Playboy Cardi. It's crazy, man.